Hello, and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up CatchE and getting started. For those new to CatchE, it's a powerful tool for creating and managing unlimited catch-all emails. You can set intervals, choose the number of emails you need, and select your preferred export format. Whether you're using GSA SER, MoneyRobot, XRumer, RankerX, or another tool, CatchE will take the hassle out of managing your emails manually. GSA SER users can benefit from the Freshmail Auto Updater feature, which automatically manages emails for your GSA search engine ranker projects. This feature updates your project's emails and deletes old ones at your specified interval, so you can skip manual email management entirely. Now let's dive into the setup. First, you'll need to subscribe to CatchE. Add it to your cart and enter your details at checkout. In the CatchE cPanel domain field, enter a domain to connect to your email hosting provided with CatchE. Make sure it's a domain you own and ideally one you aren't currently using. If you don't have one, let's quickly buy a domain and return to the site. You can use any domain registrar, but we'll use Namecheap for this example. Find a domain at the lowest price. Don't worry about the name, as it doesn't matter. Order the domain, and once your purchase is complete, enter the domain URL in the CatchE cPanel domain field and finalize your purchase. Next, log into your members area and visit the email hosting details page. Here you'll find your hosting name servers. Update your domain's name servers with these provided ones. That's it. Allow up to 24 hours for DNS propagation. In the meantime, you can purchase more domains if you want more unique catch-all emails. Remember to set the same name servers for each domain you buy. You can check if your domain's NS records have been updated via this website. Next, download and install the CatchE software. Run the setup, which will install any necessary prerequisites and then the main application. Once installed, open CatchE and log in. In this window, enter your cPanel email hosting details. You can also connect to any of your own cPanel hostings. Visit your members area, copy your email hosting details, and paste them into the respective fields within CatchE to connect to your host. This is the main window where you can create new catch-all emails, manage existing ones, and export them based on your preferred export type. To create new catch-all emails, select your catch-all domain from the drop-down list. If you don't need to target a specific domain, choose all available domains, and CatchE will handle the distribution. In the Create Emails pane, enter the number of catch-all emails to create and set the number of threads. Once created, the right pane will update with new emails. You can select and remove emails or delete emails older than a specified number of days. To export your catch-all emails, choose your export type from the built-in options or create a custom one. You can then copy to clipboard, save to file, or right-click on selected emails and choose Copy. To define a new export type, click Manage next to the export options. Enter your export type name and format using variables like username, password, domain, and POP3 URL. You can refer to a built-in format type for guidance. CatchE's key feature is automating the creation and management of catch-all emails. To enable automation, click Automation in the top menu and turn on the feature. Set your interval. 3 to 7 days is recommended for SEO purposes. Optionally, enable the removal of old email accounts according to your interval. Choose your export type, including any custom types you've created. For GSA SER users, the Fresh Mail Auto Updater feature in CatchE offers powerful automation. Once enabled, click Select Projects to choose the GSA SER projects you want CatchE to manage. After selecting your projects, click Start Automation, and CatchE will automatically create and replace Catchall emails within your chosen GSA SER projects at the intervals you've set, keeping your project supplied with fresh, up-to-date emails without manual intervention. Let's explore other sections of CatchE. In the Host Details window, you can add or import cPanel hosting details manually. Your current hosting details entered during setup are already saved here. You can select any available hosting to connect immediately. If you encounter issues logging into your cPanel hosting, such as an IP block, you can use a proxy. Open the Proxies window, add your proxies manually or import them. Test the proxies and remove any invalid ones. Enable proxy usage if you face connection issues. It's that simple. Lastly, if you've purchased additional domains and updated their name servers, you'll need to add them to your email hosting before using them in CatchE. To do this, open your host URL, log in with your username and password, and navigate to Domains. Then create a new domain. Add your domain and click Submit. You're done. You can now create Catchall emails under these added domains within CatchE. Important: your domain will only be successfully added if the NS records have been updated as instructed. Get ready to streamline your email management. Enjoy the power of CatchE.